Welcome to Skyland.
A vaccine is a biological preparation that provides active acquired immunity to specific infectious diseases. A vaccine mainly resembles the killed forms of a microbe, its toxins, or one of its surface proteins. Let us see what happens in our body after vaccination. Well, the vaccines move in the blood freely, which stimulates the immune system. In response to that, our fighter cells like macrophages, cytotoxic T cells, and B cells get stimulated and start fighting against these viruses. Well, the macrophages present in the second line of defense carry out the process phagocytosis and engulf the virus inside the cell. Well, the antigen present inside the cell activates the receptor inside the cell. Well, there is a T cell receptor binds to the antigen of the macrophages to perform mitosis, which is division of the cells, and gives signal to other cells as well to go under multiple proliferations. That increases T cell division into different forms of T cells like memory T cells. Unlike T cells, B cells ingest antigen independent of receptors. That means that they do not need anyone else's help for ingestion of the vaccine. The T cells, after binding to B cells, release enzymes that increase B cells' proliferation, who are known as lymphokines. Lymphocytes and lymphokines related, right? The antibodies are secreted by B cells into the blood. These antibodies bind to the antigen and neutralize the virus reaction or binding site on the cell. Let's learn about the person who invented vaccines. Edward Jenner was born on 6 May 1749 in the UK. He introduced the concept of vaccines, developing the world's first vaccine created to cure smallpox. He discovered that milking girls had cowpox, which safeguarded them from smallpox. He thought about it, and later he took some pus from cowpox lesions and inserted the pus in his gardener's 8-year-old boy named James Phipps. He had mild fever and some side effects for a few days, and then he took some smallpox pus from a smallpox lesion and inserted it in the boy. And voila! The boy didn't get infected by smallpox. And then Edward Jenner did the same thing to other people, and they all got immune. The first vaccine was successfully launched in the year 1798. Fact of the day: the smallpox vaccine is not administered as a shot in the way that most other vaccines are. It is given using a two-pronged bifurcated needle, and that is used to prick the skin several times in a few seconds, which causes a lesion at the site of vaccination on the upper arm. Let us see the names of the people who gave the correct answer to the previously mentioned question.